Hello my dear friends, in this video I am going to share 15 multiple choice questions of understanding disciplines and subjects. As exams are approaching, so after reading your textbooks, you can practice these questions. I hope this will help you. So let's start. Question number 1. The inner control of behavior is called discipline. So option A is correct. Discipline is something when you follow certain rule and regulation and obey certain things, that is called discipline. Having control on your behavior, that is called discipline. And indiscipline means when you do not follow, do not obey anything, that is called indiscipline. And regulation here is not correct because discipline is not only the regulation, there are certain things also there. So option A is correct. Question number 2. Academic disciplines are identified with taught subject. So option D is correct. And please note here that all the subjects that are taught at school or universities, they do not fall under the category of discipline because there are certain criteria and characteristics which need to be followed to fall under the category of, which need to be satisfied to fall under the category of disciplines. So please note here. So here the option D is correct. The academic discipline are identified with taught subjects. Question number 3. Academic discipline is a vast accumulation of option C, knowledge in specific area. So academic discipline is a huge accumulation of knowledge in some particular area. So here I want to give one example like mathematics. Mathematics is one of the academic discipline. Then social science, fine arts, humanity, these are all the human disciplines. These are all the academic disciplines. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a Aristotle classification? So there are 3 classification of Aristotle. First one is a theoretical, practical and productive. So here the option D is correct because these all are the Aristotle classifications. Question number 5. Aristotle believed that ultimate understanding rested on one's ability to transfer knowledge into teaching, because teaching require a lot of skill, knowledge, obey certain rules and regulation of the management. So everything that must be there in a teacher. So Aristotle believed that ultimate understanding rested on one's ability to transfer knowledge into teaching. Whatever you know, that you will transfer into teaching. So here the option D is correct. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a category of professional knowledge of teaching? So there are 3 categories of professional knowledge of teaching: pedagogical knowledge, knowledge of content, subject matter knowledge. So here option C is correct, that is research. Research is not a category of professional knowledge of teaching because research is something else where we define some problem and then we find the objective to solve that problem and finally we find the solution. So research is something else. Okay, so option C is correct. Question number 7. The alternative form or forms of disciplinarity is, so all of above. Option D. There are 5 forms of disciplinarity. First one is mono, second one is multi, third one is inter, then fourth one is trans, and fifth one is meta. So these are the 5 forms of disciplinarity. So here option D is correct. Question number 8. Who opposed the idea of verifiability and the inductive methodology of logical positivists? So here option B is correct. K. Popper opposed the idea of inductive methodology of logical positivists. Question number 9. Professionalization is a social process. So professionalization is a social process. Any professional must have a very high level of knowledge in some particular area and must be highly skilled. That is called professional. So option A, that is division of labor, it's still with science. It's do not have any link with professionalization. So discipline, it is something else. A reward and reputation, this is also incorrect option. So option number C is correct. It is a social process. Interdisciplinary approach involves the combining of 2 or more academic disciplines. So option B is correct, because after mixing 2 or more academic discipline, a new discipline is created. So this is the main idea of interdisciplinary approach, to create a new discipline by mixing 2 or more academic disciplines. So option B is correct. Question number 11. Transdisciplinary approach focus on research strategies, because here student questions are taken to find the problem or to do the research. A real life problems can be taken. So this transdisciplinary approach mainly emphasizes on real life or student questions. So it's mainly deal with research. So option A is correct. Transdisciplinary approach is holistic approach. Option A is correct. So why it is holistic approach? As we have already discussed earlier, because it deals with real life problems or student questions. So it finds the solution for that questions by doing the research. So that's why it is a holistic approach. Question number 13. Social ethics are concerned to examine and evaluate values, choices of given society, commitments. So answer is all of above. Option D is correct here, because social ethics, they deals with values as well as choice of given society and commitments. So option D is correct. Question number 14. According to Mahatma Gandhi, education means, first option is manifestation of perfection already in man. So this statement is given by the Swami Vivekananda. So this option is wrong. Second one, an all-round drawing out of best in child and man's body, mind and spirit. So option B is correct. So this statement is given by the Mahatma Gandhi, that an all-round drawing out of a best in a child and man's body, mind and spirit. And please note that option number D, that is education develop in a body and a soul of pupil, this statement is given by the Plato. Okay, for this question the option B is correct. Question number 15. Swami Vivekananda thinks that education is the manifestation of divine perfection already existing in man. So this is a true statement. It is given by the Swami Vivekananda. So that's all. So if you want more such questions, subscribe my channel so that you can get recent updates. And in my next video I'm going to give another 15 questions, multiple choice question of same subject, that is understanding discipline and subjects. And if you like the video, please like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.